Welcome to our Kurzweil 3000 Firefly demo. Kurzweil 3000 Firefly is a text-to-speech program. It is primarily used to upload various documents and textbooks to have the text read aloud to you. The Firefly version that I'll be showing you is a web-based version, so it works with an internet connection. However, there is an offline mode that can be used, but not all features are enabled in that mode. This demonstration is a basic overview of the program, while I will go over some of the most commonly used features. You can access Kurzweil Firefly through the website, which you can see on the screen now, or you can download an icon for your computer. There is also an app which can be used on an iPad. From this website, you would enter the username and password that has been provided to you. This is the main page, which is called the Universal Library. You can upload documents from the Google Drive or your computer by pressing the labeled buttons, seen here and here. Or you can open a previously uploaded document if you look under your username on the left-hand side of the page in the folder labeled Private. You would then click on the reading that you wish to open. I will open Netflix Reading 2. You can see the text that you would like to be read aloud. To select the reading features that would work best for you, you would go to the Audio Options icon on the top left-hand side of the page. You can change the voice that is read to you, the speed that the document is read, you can have it skip reading the headings and footers, as you might not find this necessary. You can also choose the way the document is read to you. I would suggest reading sentence by sentence and continuous. You can also choose if you want the reading to stop at the end of each page or if you would rather it continue to the next page. By selecting the document icon, you can also do things such as zoom in on the document or rotate the page. You can also change the background color of the document to suit your preferences. Let's select peach. Let's try out these settings now. You can press play to start reading from the beginning of the document. If you only want a specific part of the document text to be read, then you can highlight that portion and press play, or you can put the cursor where you would like it to start reading.
This article explores the relationship between television and video on demand, VOD, one focusing specifically on Netflix and its recent move to produce and distribute original serialized drama.
You can stop here by pressing the pause button. Let's go back to Audio Options and change the settings so you can see the difference. I'll change the voice to Heather and decrease the reading speed 1 time. Let's press play.
Drawing on a number of conceptualizations of contemporary media, this article positions Netflix within a contemporary media landscape, paying particular attention to how it relates to branding strategies of multi-platform serialized content and subscription cable channels in the United States.
As you can see, there are many variations for how the document can be read to you. You can play around with the different options to find out what works best for you. To move to the next page, you would press the arrow button at the side. Another tool is the references icon that is located in the top right-hand corner of the page in the shape of a book. You can use this to look up a word in the dictionary or the picture dictionary, which shows a visual of the word. You can also look for synonyms and translate words. To look up a definition of a word, highlight the word you wish to define and then click the dictionary button. Let's highlight the word television. Then we can click the dictionary to find the definition. You can click the picture dictionary to see a visual of the word you're trying to look up. You can select synonyms to see if there are any words that are the same. In this case, they don't have any words that are the same as television. And you can select translation to translate the word into a different language. You can pick the language you would like to translate to. We'll try Spanish, and then you would press the translate button. If you would like to hear the translated word out loud, you would click read translation.
Televisión.
There's also the option of highlighting important information. You would select the highlighter's icon on the left-hand side of the page and choose the color you wish to highlight in. For example, you could highlight the main ideas in yellow and the supporting ideas in blue. I'll select the yellow highlighter and highlight some of the main ideas in the text. And then for supporting ideas, I will select the blue highlighter. And then if you want to remove a highlight, you would go back into highlighters and select the erase icon and go over the highlighted text to remove it. You can also add sticky notes throughout the document by clicking on the notes icon on the left-hand side of the page. Then press the plus button to add a note. You can type your note. Remember to review this page for the test. You can then move it and resize it to anywhere on the page. You can also go back into notes and add a text note if you prefer that by pressing the plus button. You can then place the note wherever you would like it on the page and write what you would like it to write. Use the above quote for essay. And then again, you can move it to where you would like to place it on the page. So let's put it right there. If you want to delete a note, you would go into Notes, press the red X button, and click the note that you wish to remove. So you could remove that text box, and you could remove this sticky note. If you would like to extract your highlights into a separate document, you can go into the Highlighters tab and press the Extract icon. You can press OK to extract the notes. Now you can see all the highlighted portions of your document. You can edit these highlights and add your own notes as well. Then you can choose to save this document by pressing the Save icon located at the top left-hand side of the page. Then you could go back into your Universal Library, and you can go back into your document. From here, you can also extract your highlights into something that they call column notes. You would do this by selecting the column notes icon on the left-hand side of the page and then selecting the extraction icon. Then you can choose in what order you want to extract your notes. As we have only used 2 colors, I will select 2 columns and deselect the other colors. And then press OK. Now you can see that the text has been arranged into main ideas and supporting ideas. You can also change what you would like these headings to say if you want them to represent something else for you. You can also hide columns, for example, if you want to test yourself. You could press the Hide Second Column button, and you could remove the third column as well if you aren't using it by pressing the Hide Third Column button. You could then extract these notes into an outline by selecting the Extract Column Notes to Outline icon. From here, you could edit these notes to help you write an essay outline, for example. If you go back to the Universal Library, you can see that Kurzweil also offers writing tools by clicking the Write icon. You can select New Brainstorm to make a mind map. You can select New Outline to create an outline for a paper, and you can select New Draft if you would like to type an assignment or essay in Kurzweil. If you would like to explore more of the features Kurzweil 3000 offers, Kurzweil has made a number of videos available through Kurzweil Academy. Please see the link below to access these videos. If you would like to learn more information about Kurzweil 3000, you can contact your accessibility advisor or contact our main office at 905-569-4699 or email them at access.utm@utoronto.ca.